Hello my dear students, welcome to this new science class. Today we'll review what erosion is, which are the main agents or causes of erosion, and how farmers are so concerned to prevent it. So let's get ready. On your marks, get set, go. Now let's take a look at these pictures. What do you see? What is the difference between the land on the picture on the left and the picture on the right? Do you think what happens is something natural, or is it something that man did? Let me tell you that what you see in the picture is what we call erosion. Soil erosion is a term for soil that is taken away from the land, or very suddenly being washed away or blown away. When this happens, soil loses its nutrients and minerals. Water and wind naturally remove soil from the land, but usually at a rate which is the same as soil is formed. So some soil is taken away, but this is replaced. When soil erosion is sudden, it has a very negative impact on the land. Sudden erosion is caused by extreme rainfall, literally washing soil away. Rivers overflowing and taking soil with them to the sea, or by tsunamis, tornadoes, etc. For this specific lesson, we're going to use the phrase agent of erosion, and not just causes of soil erosion. The main agents of erosion are water, wind, ice, and gravity. They are responsible for erosion in many cases. Wind and water are the main agents of soil erosion. The amount of soil they can carry away is influenced by two related factors. The first one is speed. The faster either moves, the more soil it can erode. The second one is plant cover. Now plants protect the soil, and in their absence, wind and water can do much more damage. Now, when soil has no plants or trees growing in it, it is more likely for that area to become eroded very fast. Soil has nutrients and minerals that are very important for plant growth. As wind blows, these nutrients and minerals are lost and literally blown away from the top layer of soil. In other words, these barren land would become unfertile and unable to sustain plant growth. You wouldn't imagine it, but since water is a powerful agent of erosion, water in its solid state is also a cause. So iced water, it's another agent of erosion. It is very simple to understand it. When water gets into small cracks within rocks, and then freezes, it expands and breaks rocks. Glaciers are big masses of ice that cover large pieces of land during cold winters. These masses make soil lose its fertility. Farmers are very aware of soil erosion, since soil is a valuable source they use for their activity. Preventing soil erosion is a must for them. They know how valuable are the plants while preventing soil erosion. I'm going to list some reasons why plants are so important to prevent soil erosion. First reason, plants slow down water as it flows over the land, and that's what we call runoff. And this allows much of the rain to soak into the ground. The second reason, plant roots hold the soil in position and prevent it from being washed away. Third reason, plants break the impact of a raindrop before it hits the soil, thus reducing its ability to erode. Fourth reason, plants in wetlands and on the banks of rivers are of particular importance as they slow down the flow of the water, and their roots bend the soil, thus preventing erosion. Good farming methods such as crop rotation, also prevent soil to become eroded. Now, to finish the class, I would like you to answer some questions regarding the topic to find out how much you've learned today. Are you ready? The first question is, what is soil erosion? Erosion is when soil loses its nutrients and minerals needed for supporting plant life. Second question, what are the main agents of erosion? The main agents of erosion are water, wind, gravity, and ice. Let's continue with our third question. Why do you think farmers should be so aware of soil erosion? They are so aware of soil erosion since soil is a main natural resource they use for their activity. Plants need nutrients and minerals in the soil so they can grow and bear fruit and plant products. Fourth question, what could you do in order to prevent soil erosion in a place where no plants are growing in a park near to your house? You could plant some trees or little plants that could cover the place to avoid wind and water to wash away the minerals and nutrients from that particular area. Well, kids, it's been a pleasure to be with you all. See you on our next science class.